In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you change your purchase verification on your Google Play Store. Simple and easy. So I'm going to show you guys that and also a couple of settings you need to make too as well. So now let's open our Google Play Store like this. So what we are going to do is to tap on our profile at the top right corner of our screen. So we tap on that. Good. So on that section, what we are going to do is we are going to tap on our payments and subscriptions. So we tap on that. Good. And you can see purchase verification. Just open that. Good. So you can set a password, and if your mobile phone is having some sort of verifications like biometric, you can set the biometric. Yeah, so on my phone, I set the biometric because I have fingerprints on it. So I just tap on that there. Good. So I just place my hand where I need to place it. Good. So if I want to turn it off and use password, I just turn it off like that. They will notify me that when I'm making a purchase now, I'll have to be using my password to make the purchase go through, something like that. Yeah. To confirm that. And now let's move to our verification frequency. Now let's tap on that. Good. So choose when purchase verification is required. So always or every 30 minutes, but I prefer you set it to always. Yeah. So anytime you are paying for an app or you're trying to buy something through Google Play Store, that's an app you downloaded through Google Play Store, you need to pass through the verification process. That's enter the password. If you turned on the biometrics too, you use that too as well. So that's it. If you are new here, you give me a like. I have a lot of tutorials on Google Play Store. You can check them out on my channel. Peace.